Hi everyone, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video, it will serve as a guide on how to buy a fractional shares on your Charles Schwab. Hello, so now we will be talking about the fractional shares and how to buy it. So first you want to download and log in or open an account on your Schwab and then go to stock slices. So from the home screen, you want to tap the menu or the three bar and then select trade or Schwab stock slices. Now choose your stocks. Search for companies in the S&P 500 list, which is this one right here. So after that, you can buy up to 30 companies at once and then tap check or this one button right here to add them to your slice packet. Now enter your investment amount. So enter the dollar amount you want to invest, which is the minimum is equal to $5 per stock. So the app automatically calculates the fraction share you'll receive. Then review and place order. So after confirming, you'll want to tap the place order and then double check your selected stocks and dollar amounts. Then track your fractional shares. So you want to go to your accounts, then positions, then to view your stock slices. Fractional shares is how I'll show alongside your full shares. So you'll still get dividends, which is paid proportionally. And that is all on how to buy fractional shares on your Charles Schwab app this year.